Hey, this is Kai with Kai Dragon Gardening and Cooking Channel, and today we're going to talk about pollinators. So we have these feeders here that you can get at the stores. A lot of nurseries have it, or lawn and garden, where you put sugar water, and you have to change out sugar water every few days, but this will attract pollinators. In fact, I've got so many bees here that I have to be careful not to get stung. In fact, and my cameraman's brave enough, there's like 30 bees on the other side here probably, all getting sugar water. So having pollinators is a good thing, because any type of plant that needs pollen, these guys are what you need. Wasps are another one. So wasps can be friendly. They also eat a lot of bad bugs. So definitely recommend checking this out. And of course, if you do have them, be very, very careful, because as you can see, there's probably, I think, 20 or 30 there. And yeah, the cameraman's not brave enough to come over here and take a picture of it. Well, I guess I am, but yeah, I would do everything you can not to provoke them, because man, that's a lot of them. If you can get an angle on this side, do it. You can see them all. Holy cow. That is a lot of bees.
What these are is hummingbird feeders, and when you make your sugar water, it's 4 to 1. So usually if you have a 64-ounce bottle, put 2 cups of sugar in, shake it up really good, put it in the refrigerator, let it dissolve. You have to change out the sugar water every 2 days, and then use a brush, scour it real good, because you don't want anything funky, green fungus, anything bad that's going to kill off your pollinators. But it works great, keeps them around.